How to check which apps has access to your Google account. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can check which apps has access to your Google account on your phone. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So first open up your phone's settings and here scroll down and tap on Google. Then here, if you have multiple emails on your phone, tap on here on your email and name and select the email for which you want to see what apps has access to your Google account. Then after selecting, scroll down and here tap on personalize using shared data. Then here you will see all of the apps that has personalized using shared data. Now go back and here tap on settings for Google Apps and here tap on connected apps and here you will see all the apps that has access to your Google account. So for me it's not loading, but if it's loading for you, you can see all of the connected apps to your Google account. If you tap here, you can sort by all apps and devices, apps with Google sign in and Google Fit apps and devices. So this is how you can check which app has access to your Google account. Thanks for watching.